Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Marvin Okongo. I'm a self-taught programmer. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe because I'll be taking you through this course, and I'll be uploading other videos of other courses like Dart, JavaScript, C++. So don't miss those content. Without further ado and too much explaining, let's start. So this is the introduction to Python. So what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language that uses instructions to teach or tell the computer how to perform a task. This is just the basic definition of what a programming language is. A programming language is used to give instructions to a computer and tell it what to do. So Python is very easy to learn, but at the same time, it's very powerful. It's a very powerful programming language, and it has very many uses. So what is a high-level programming language? A high-level programming language is a programming language that is closer to the human language. Just like English, Python uses some basic concepts of English, but in a different way. We'll look at it later. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. So what are the applications of Python? Python is used widely and has very many applications. The first one, Python is used in web applications. Python is used to build web applications. Python is used in game development. Python is used to build desktop applications. And Python is also used in machine and data science. These are just among the few uses of Python, but Python has a very wide variety of uses. So how does Python work? Python is an interpreted language. Interpreted languages are also called scripted languages. Python programs run directly through source code. The source code is converted to immediate bytecode, then into native language to computer internally by Python interpreter. So this is just a brief intro to how Python works. So the code is executed and the output is presented. So Python is interpreted, and this is just a basic definition of how the interpreter works. So this is the end of this first introduction to Python. So thank you, and please join me in my next lesson.